Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I never expected that Banele could die so early on the show, I really thought that was going to last for at least 20 episodes or even a whole season. But then, anything is possible with other pictures. So guys, let us talk about Banele's death here on this video. But first, I need to request you to like it. And if you subscribe, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by supporting down the channel to watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I know that you guys already know about this new show called Itonga. Well, if you don't know, the show replaced Umkhokha and is now on episode 5, and the telenovela is about two twin brothers, Banele and Sanele. I really do think that Chesa Pictures or whoever gave name to the characters could have given better character names to these characters. Yes, Banele and Sanele are nice names, but for these characters, I think they are too general. Take for instance this guy. You can call him anything, but Pablo, I don't think that Pablo is a suitable name for such a character. I think they should have given him a complicated Zulu name like Bonkanyamba, Bongwebedla, or Umpiga, those kinds of names, because Pablo doesn't really make sense to me. So, as I've already mentioned, that the show revolves around two twin brothers, and I was hoping that we'll be seeing these twins throughout the season, but people were shocked on episode 5 when Banele was killed. And the worst part of all is that Banele was everyone's favorite, and by everyone, I mean myself. And we all know that South Africans are obsessed with criminal characters. Worst part is that we all know and loved Bogokoza as Mqele, who was a crazy criminal and loved with a wife. So I think when comparing Banele and Sanele, Banele was more of a Mqele than Sanele, because Sanele is a school principal, focused, does everything according to law, intelligence, and hates everything that has to do with crime and chaos. So fans are obviously going to love Banele more, as I've mentioned. And I even saw it on Twitter that fans are concerned that the show won't be the same anymore now that Banele is gone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have read teasers of this show and they are showing us that Sanele will soon turn into Banele. Apparently, Sanele will get angry that his father was killed and now his twin brother also died, and then decide to also turn dark. There's even this one episode where I read that Banele's spirit will push Sanele to marry Sanele's fiancé Uzama, meaning that as much as Sanele is a good guy, Banele's spirit will always be inside him and driving him to do certain things. So I'm thinking that we'll always be seeing a different character from one character, which is a bit exciting if you ask me. I think this show is really different from anything that we have ever seen before on our small screens. And at the same time, I don't want to share too many spoilers with you guys, but if you want to know more about the show, you can subscribe to this channel, because I'll be posting and sharing everything that has to do with the show here on this video. So do subscribe to this channel, and if you're enjoying content here on this video, please do press the like button. You can also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.